Assalamu alaikum Ita. How are you all? Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. So once again, welcome back to Mukra Public School online classes. Hopefully you're fine and doing great at your home with your families. So it's your English literature lecture. I am your English teacher Adam. Our textbook is read now and our topic is a wonderful ant. We will continue this reading of this chapter and solve the remaining math exercise of the chapter. So open your books everyone. In previous video, we introduced about the ants, and there were three characters: Mary, Tom, and Uncle Jim. So now they find out about the ant hill, and now they are asking from Uncle Jim what they know about the ants. So let's continue. Are they sleeping? Asked Mary. No, replied Uncle Jim. For 3 months they stay inside their coats, but all this time they are changing into ants. Uncle Jim told them that the baby grubs spin a coat of cocoon around themselves and they go to sleep. Are they sleeping? There Mary asked. But Uncle Jim told her that no, they are not sleeping actually. This is the way for the grubs to change into the ants. Then at last the great day comes. Slowly out of the coats come little insects. Insects, they are referring to the ants. Their bodies are in two parts joined by a narrow waist, as you can see over here. Its body is divided into two parts, the back part and the front part, and it is joined by the very small waist. They have 6 legs. Now look at this: one, two, three, four, five, six. These are not legs, these are the feelers. What are these called? Feelers. Okay, and two long feelers which grow out from their head. With these feelers, they can hear and smell and touch. We have 5 sense organs, but they have feelers to hear, smell, and touch. Tom and Mary smiled, and their uncle went on. When the young ants grow up, they must help about the home. Before, when they were cub, they were taken care by the nurses, but now they are grown, so they have to take care of their house or their home as well. As mother ant is still laying eggs, she needs some of them to take care of the grubs and to look after their little brothers and sister. These are the nurse ants. Sorry, I already told you that nurse ants, they some of them, obviously different duties has been assigned to the ants. Obviously mother um, ant is laying egg continuously, so the other of the remaining have to take care of their babies, sisters and brothers. So different duties are assigned. The one who take care of grubs are called nurse ants. What about the others? Asked Tom. The others help in different ways, said Uncle Jim. They all work hard. Some make the home bigger and dig out little passages like the streets of a town. Some keep the home clean and tidy and carry away any rubbish. Now, different duties, I told you already that different duties assigned to the ants. Obviously, when there is continuously different, many grubs are coming continuously, so their home should be bigger according to the population. So some ants given the task as the builders that they have to build more passages and make the house more bigger. Someone have to clean the house and carry away the rubbish. Some go out to bring in food and even make a store for the winter. Some are like soldiers and always ready to defend their home against any foes. They are very organized creature. Ants are very organized creature, so they are divided. Now you know about the nurses, after that you know about the builders, then the maids of the house, after that comes soldiers and seekers who go out and bring food. Now turn the page. The strangest kind of all are those which keep pets. Now it is very amazing thing about the ant also that they kept pets. Okay, these pets are insect called greenfly, and they give up a sweet sticky kind of honey which stroke gently. They are very useful to the ants who feed them and look after them well. Now they keep pets which are called greenfly. They give up sweet sticky kind of honey. It's sweet and it's sticky. When stroked gently, they are very useful to the ants. They help the ants in very wonderful way, and they keep them feed them and look after them. It is first rule to keep a pet or to have a pet that we should take care of our pet. There was a silence for a moment. Then Mary said, "Isn't that wonderful?" "Yes," replied Tom, "but all the same, I am glad I am not an aunt. Fancy having hundreds of little brothers and sisters to take out for walk every day." Obviously, they ended the chapter with very funny sentence that Tom is happy that he don't have many siblings. He is not an ant cause he have to take care of his hundreds of little brothers and sisters, and he have to take care and take them for the walk. So this is the chapter for our chapter reading has been completed. Now in part B of the video for today we will solve back exercise.